in Bukhari Muslim, which is the most authentic books of ahadith. Anas radiallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited us. I had a young brother who used the kunya of Abu Umair. He had a sparrow which he used to play with it, and it had dead. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came it and saw that he was sad. And he asked, "What is wrong with him?" He was told, "His sparrow has died." The Prophet ﷺ said, "Aba Umair, what has happened to the little Nughair?" Ya Aba Umair, ma fa'alan Nughair? O Umair, kahan gayi teri Nughair? We learn many lessons from this small story. Number 1, fun with kids is a sunnah. Number 2, growing up and becoming a scholar doesn't mean keeping a distance from children. Number 3, be a child with children. Number 4, make friends with children. Number 5, surname of children can be kept called kunyat, like Aba Umair or Abu Muhammad, can be kept also in childhood. Number 6, children can catch and play with the birds. Number 7, birds can be kept in cages inside houses. Number 8, naming animals is permissible. Number 9, love of servants' family is sunnah.